Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the OnePlus Nord 2, the brand new Nord, and let's see if its camera has better video recording capabilities. Right now we're recording a 4K video on the Nord 2, the Galaxy A52 and the iPhone SE. Follow me around as we take a look at the quality of these cameras. Just walking around, you should be able to see some differences, and interestingly, you don't have an ultra-wide camera on the iPhone SE. You do have an ultra-wide camera on the Nord, but you cannot use it once you start recording with the main camera. You can only use the main camera and you have to start over. Unfortunately, that's the case in 4K video recording. Follow me around, let's test the main camera right now. And just let's test the video stabilization. Follow me around. That's all faster now. Let's stop right about here. And let's slowly move the cameras up and down, panning around to see how they adjust to different lighting. Brighter exposures right there in the leaves, you can see. So that's a quick test of the video recording on the Nord 2 and Galaxy A52 and the iPhone SE. Thanks for watching. Alright, and next up, let's test the video recording in lower light. Right now we're indoors, so we don't get that much light, and it's really curious to see if these budget phones can actually perform in these more challenging conditions. So let's take a look and follow me around as we go to the other room and see if they're doing a good job or not. So follow me around. It's getting pretty dark here, so it's interesting to see if you can see anything on your screens. Let me know which one does best in the comments. And thanks for watching.